but it is very apparent that if that process hadn't taken place, it could very well have ended up in a very tragic situation.
5 people living in a Modesto home are alive tonight thanks to the quick thinking of hospital staff and first responders. Fire officials say crews responded to an early morning incident just in time before carbon monoxide poisoning took their lives.
New tonight, CBS 13's Sharon Roger is in Modesto with more on how all of this unfolded.
Tony and Adrian, a young woman, remains hospitalized tonight, but it was what happened after she was transported that led to the rescue of 4 others.
It was completely scary. All I heard was Modesto Police Department, Modesto Fire Department must evacuate the premises immediately.
Johnny Hudson says around 5 a.m. he and 3 others inside this Modesto home off Tokay Avenue were woken up by firefighters standing over them demanding they get out.
I felt sick to my stomach when I woke up. I had a bad headache.
Did you think that something like this was happening in the home?
No, you can't smell it.
Just about 30 minutes prior, Jerry's roommate's 23-year-old daughter had passed out and was transported to the hospital. She has diabetes, and so the roommates initially thought it was related to that, but turns out it was far from it.
The staff recognized quickly that they had a situation where somebody was exposed to carbon monoxide.
According to Hudson, the staff here at Sutter Memorial Medical Center recognized the young woman was suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning, and once she mentioned there were others at the home, that's when hospital staff quickly jumped into action and alerted fire crews to go back.
We're talking probably within a matter of maybe 15-20 minutes that we had that process turned back around.
Once crews returned to Tokay Avenue, they were banging on the door, but no one answered.
They were able to open the door and notice the gentleman laying on the couch unresponsive. Donned their breathing apparatus, their alarms were sounding.
They said 3 hours later we'd all be dead.
It turns out it was this portable generator that the residents were temporarily using for electricity that caused it. Now Johnny and his friends are just thankful everyone involved acted as quickly as they did.
First response team was my props off to them. Yeah. They saved my life.
Again, the hospital staff and dispatchers turning these crews back around really saved lives today. And it's just a reminder for everyone to make sure your carbon monoxide detectors are working.